Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com, and Huawei has sent me the Huawei Colour Band A2, and in this video let's go ahead and unbox it and go hands on with the Huawei Colour Band A2. The Huawei Colour Band A2 is a fitness tracker coming from Huawei with a reasonable price. You can consider this a competitor to Xiaomi's Mi Band. Having a look at the box, actually the box has a textured finish to it and it feels really good to the hand. On the left hand side there is a QR code to the place where you can download the Huawei Wear app. On the right hand side there is another QR code that shows that this is an authentic product from Huawei. At the back it details the three main features of this watch. The first one being notifications for incoming calls and messages, the second one being water resistance, the third one is sleep monitoring. At the bottom we have details about the color and the item number along with the serial number of this product. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and take the Huawei Colour Band A2 out of the box. Huawei has gone with very simple packaging here, and the first thing that we find is the user manual. This user manual will definitely come in handy if this is the first time you're using a fitness tracker. Next we have the warranty card with all the warranty information. And finally we have the star of the show, the Colour Band A2 itself. Taking it out of the second box as well, we find the Colour Band A2 nicely covered in a polythene wrapping. Keeping the Colour Band to the side, having a look at this box, we also find the charger. So this has a proprietary charger which docks to the bottom of the Colour Band. And the charging cable is a micro USB cable which you can plug to the base of the charger and then mount it to the bottom of the Colour Band A2. In the second box that the Colour Band A2 was in, we have instructions on how to get started. First, you are supposed to actually charge the band in order to activate it, and after that you can just pair it to the Huawei Wear application on your smartphone and then get started from there. Having a look at the Colour Band A2, this is the black color version and it looks quite slick. You can definitely feel the plastic design, but it looks pretty good. At the bottom we even have a heart rate sensor with this model. The display on this model is a 0.96-inch OLED display. On either side of the Colour Band A2 we find two silver lines that add some style to this. The strap actually has a lot of holes, so this will fit into almost anyone's hand. In the user manual there is a QR code that you can scan to download the Huawei Wear application. So if you scan the QR code, it will actually take you to the Google Play Store where you can download the Huawei Wear application. After installing the application, you need to set it up. Actually, before getting started, in order to activate your device, you need to first charge it. So plug it to charge and then open up the Huawei Wear application in order to sync it. When you open the Huawei Wear application for the very first time, you need to answer a few questions, and after you input all the answers for those, then you can go ahead and sync up your new fitness tracker with this watch. So here you have multiple options as to whether you're using a smartwatch or a smart band. So since I'm having the smart band, I'm gonna go with that and go ahead and select the Colour Band A2. So now it's going to allow me to actually go ahead and sync up and pair my Colour Band A2 to this smartphone. So let me quickly go ahead and sync it up right now. On the smart band it will say waiting for Huawei Band A2, and on the smartphone it will actually show that device. So all I have to do is just go ahead and tap on it and it automatically pairs just like that. The pairing process was quite simple. Afterwards you just have to press done. There are actually a few options here. You can check for updates, you can manage alarms, you can enable or disable the activity reminder, you have a do not disturb mode as well as a notifications management area. So you can go ahead and play around with this and tweak it according to your preference. And on the smart band side, when you tap on the display, it will actually bring up the menu, and it's pretty simple. You have the main screen, you have more option, you have a sports mode and a heart rate option. So if you actually wear the smart band, you can have continuous heart rate on this model. In the main page we have a clock along with the number of steps I have taken, the date, the Bluetooth and the battery life. Huawei actually promises around 9 days of battery life for this, so it's pretty great to have a lot of battery life on this. And there's also an automatic activity mode as well as sleep tracking on this device. For more information about this, I will have a link to Huawei's website down below in the description. Definitely go ahead and check it out. And while you're at it, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button in case if you're new. And if you are interested in picking this one up, I will have a link to where you can buy it down below in the description. So definitely go ahead and pick it up if you are interested in a good smart band. So I've actually been using this smart band for a few days now, and I really like the experience. It's pretty simple and the price isn't that bad as well. So if you're looking for a fitness tracker, this could be it. Well guys, that's about it for this video. Follow me on social media for behind the scenes and updates on upcoming videos, and definitely stay tuned right here on YouTube for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this fitness tracker. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Bang.